Declutter your life, the fun way to get organized. Hey there, fabulous folks. Are you ready to transform your chaotic life into a serene sanctuary? If your home looks like a tornado hit it and your digital space is a black hole of forgotten files, stick around. Today, we're diving into the wild world of decluttering where we'll toss out the junk and keep the joy. Let's make organizing feel naturally easy. First up, let's tackle that physical environment. You know, the one where you can't find your keys because they're buried under a mountain of stuff. Here are my top tips to reclaim your space. Don't dive into the deep end. Start with a single drawer, a closet, or even that one rogue sock under your bed. Baby steps, people. Trust me. You'll thank yourself later. Make this a habit. Set aside time each week to do a little organizing. Think of it like brushing your teeth. If you skip it, you'll regret it. Invest in some cute storage containers and shelves like the ones you see at Home Goods or Amazon. Label everything like you're organizing a top-secret mission. You'll never mistake the salt for the sugar again. Remember, less is more. Channel your inner Marie Kondo. If it doesn't spark joy, toss it. Quality over quantity, baby. Millennials are really good at living bare bones because we were raised by boomers who were borderline hoarders. Also, we lived through like 5 recessions in our lifetimes. Now let's hit that digital clutter. Your laptop deserves some love too. Here's how to give it a makeover. Put your files into logical categories. It's like sorting your sock drawer, but way more fun. Bye-bye duplicates. Do you have 5,000 unread emails? Yikes! Set up a system to archive or delete. For example, delete any emails that you haven't opened in 3 days. If you haven't looked at it by then, you'll probably never will. Unsubscribe from those blasted companies that make you enter your email before you can even enter their website. So annoying when they do that. Set specific times to check emails and social media so you can focus fully on your tasks. You may want to use a Chrome extension that will block certain websites after a certain number of minutes during specific hours of the day that you want to dedicate to being productive. Back up, 'cause it's on. Back up your files automatically. Have a copy on the cloud and one on a removable drive. These should be stored in different places. I had a professor who locked his laptop and all his backup drives in his office. Well, someone broke in and stole all of the research he had collected for 3 years. Why you would keep all your copies in one place and none on the cloud? I don't know, but learn from his mistake. So there you have it. By decluttering your physical space, digital life, and managing your time, you can create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Ready to tackle more chaos? Hit that like button, subscribe for more fun tips, and let's get brewfully organized together.